At Biopharma Technology, we pride ourselves in being able to provide a range of end-to-end sales solutions. As part of the LyoLab contract research and manufacturing services related to freeze drying, spray drying, and liquid formulations, there are a variety of services that we offer. These range from proof of concept studies and formulation development for liquid and dried products to pre- and post-process development. Biopharma Group can also provide freeze-drying design space development and the facility to conduct freeze-drying trial cycles. Our contract research services can also include the development of freeze-dryable spheres, also known as lyobeads, in addition to product characterization, pre- and post-freeze drying, controlled nucleation, and stability studies. As part of Biopharma Group, Biopharma Technology LLC has a dedicated team of lyoscientists who can conduct your comparative studies on freeze drying versus spray drying to determine suitability for your project. We are also able to utilize a dedicated cytotoxic suite, which allows for sensitive samples to be handled and processed in a variety of formats, such as vials, tubes, well plates, strips, bulk, and lyobeads. For contract manufacturing and freeze drying, we can provide the procurement of appropriate chemicals and consumables, compounding, freeze drying, along with packaging of your product in a controlled environment if required. Our experts can also offer QC analysis, cycle auditing, and risk assessments. This also includes remote support as well as technology transfer and scale-up, desktop study, remote product and process development, troubleshooting assistance, process validation, and regulatory support. At the LyoLab site, Biopharma Technology LLC, as part of Biopharma Group, has in-house technical service and maintenance engineers to make sure that the equipment is compliant and procedures are in place to keep your production run going in any eventuality. To discover more, contact Biopharma Technology LLC specialists today